What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here, and today we're going to be doing the model unboxing and review of three beautiful models here. As you can see right in front of us, we have them. Starting off, we have the NG Southwest 737-700. Then we have the Phoenix models, Kalitta 747-400 BCF. This is in the mask on livery. And then, last but not least, the Phoenix models, EVA 777-300ER, and just the standard livery. So, three amazing models. I got these two, the Kalitta and EVA Air from Waffle Collectibles, and then I got this Southwest. I just got one of them. I got this from the Diecast Airplane Shop. So. Check those places out, guys. I don't know if these models are still available or not. I highly doubt it, but let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm gonna do the Kalitta 747 first. I just feel like going with that. So there you go, there's the box. Classic, Phoenix models. Box, there we go. Doesn't have like any Phoenix, any indication that it is Phoenix, but that's what it is. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open it up. Oh, here we go. Oh, that is beautiful. So this is my first Kalitta 747. Oh, this looks fantastic. All in one piece by the looks of it. Super excited. Side there. Alright, let's go ahead and get this out of the box, out of the packaging. Alright, here we go. Super excited. Such beautiful. Alright. Wow. Heavy. Very nice. Alright, I'm just going to put this back. So. That out the way. I'll go ahead and get them all in here, and I'm just going to adjust my camera here shortly. Alright, here we go. Sorry about, you can tell the box is kind of being weighed down by it because it's a heavy model. But anyway, looking at this, so we'll start off here at the front. Beautiful model. It says something there, I can't really tell exactly what it says. Can't really read what that says there, but anyway, starting off, you have the nose. Looks really nice, obviously with the mask. I think that's super cool. A lot of airlines have done this. You have Kalitta Air's done it, Cargolux, quite a few other carriers. Garuda Indonesia's one. And there's some other ones that have done it, but this looks really nice. Very well done. Obviously, this is a Phoenix models mold, so it's not like an interactive series. I'm sure Gemini Jets at some point will make an interactive series, one 1/400 scale, the 747-400 mold, just like the 748s. But yeah, Phoenix doesn't have it yet. But either way, this looks really nice. The landing gear looks really good there. Cockpit windows and everything look good. Great detail around there. And then you're just moving along. You can tell that this obviously was it's BCF, Boeing converted freighter, so you can still see the window outlines, which I think is really cool. I'm just moving along, and then you have the Kalitta Air titles. Then you have the engines, the wing. They look a little tilted up, but that's just because of the box, how it's sunken down. It's fine. Really nice. Just moving along, then back you have the cargo door now here at the back on this side. And there's registration November 744 Charlie Kilo. And then the tail, obviously. Nice livery. I like the Kalitta Air livery. I think it's really cool. This aircraft, I haven't seen it properly in person, but it's been to Orlando a couple times from LA. So I hope to catch it at some point. But yeah, there's the, looking at it nose on. And then just going on this side, Obviously, you have the cargo door on that side. Just kind of moving it around. The engines and everything on this side, the titles. Just moving it back. Got the rear, the aft cargo door and little baggage door there. But you can also tell all the doors and like the windows are marked on there, as this was passenger aircraft in the past. I don't know for which airline. I didn't check the registration beforehand, to be honest. But I'm sure with a quick Google search, myself and you guys could find out who operated it in the past. Sure, multiple carriers did. But yeah, that's the Phoenix models. Kalitta Air 747-400 Boeing converted freighter. Very, very nice model. Super excited to have it. And we'll move this off to the side, and we'll go ahead and do the EVA Air 777-300ER. So we're starting off with the heavies, and we'll do the Southwest last. Just because I feel like a lot of people have already seen that model unboxed and reviewed. But alright, so here we have this one. I have one other EVA Air 777 in my fleet. It's one of the Hello Kitty. Is it Hello Kitty? Yes, one of the Hello Kitty liveries. But I don't have a plain livery one, so this is really nice to get because these fly in and out of LA quite a lot. But you know, another Phoenix models, nice box, nice design. Very plain, I would say, simple, but very nice. You have the back Taipei there, obviously the tower and everything. Really nice. Registration B16740. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. There's the model, looks really nice. Just get that aside and fix the box real quick. So I can set it on it. Alright. Pops right on off there. Fantastic. Alright, and here we have the model. Absolutely beautiful. It's all intact, no issues, no broken parts, no missing parts from what I can tell. Really nice. Oh, one thing I forgot to point out was like the antennas and stuff on the Kalitta. I'm sure you guys could see that. Obviously Phoenix models does a really good job with antennas and everything. So let's take a look at this EVA Air 777. Starting off here at the nose area. Alright, so there we have it, Star Alliance, and then you have the nose gear, which look really good. I think it looks nice. Decent detail and stuff. Rolling landing gear, obviously, too. The cockpit windows look great. There's the L1 door, little gap there. You have the first area with some windows. Window shades kind of closed down. I guess that's... I can't exactly say what that's for, but I'm sure there's like lavatories or some, like a galley or something there, which is probably why. But overall looks really cool. And then you have the registration there. The nice EVA Air. There's a plain title, and then a nice that dark green for the EVA all underneath on the underbelly there. The engines looking really nice, the GE90s. I think they, Phoenix does a good job along with like Aviation 400 JC wings compared to like Gemini jets. There's the landing gear, nice rolling landing gear. Just kind of moving along, you obviously have the antenna and the Wi-Fi satellite. I guess I want to say that's what it is. That box right there, you have the antennas. Just kind of moving along. The overwing exit markings are on their wing there, look really nice. And then just kind of moving along, you have some more antennas and stuff at the back there. So it looks really nice. Sorry about the box kind of like caving in a little bit, so it looks like that. Then at the back you have Boeing 777-300ER, and then the registration again. And then a nice EVA Air tail, the logo design. So, yep, spinning around to look head on. That's what she looks like head on. Very, very nice. And this side, the only difference now on this side is the cargo doors. But overall, titles, everything looks really nice. EVA Air colors and that nice green. I love it. Yeah, so that's this model, another pretty simple model. Very nice though. Highly recommend it. I know Aviation 400 has a variant of it too. They have their own EVA Air 777-300. So honestly, between the Phoenix and Aviation 400. They're both fantastic ones. So if you can find this one, grab it. Aviation 400. I'd love to get that one too, just to have another one. I don't know if it's a different reg. I'd have to check, but I think it'd be cool to have that as well. But we'll see. Anyway, so that's these two heavies out the way. We'll go ahead and do Southwest now, last but not least. So here we have it. This is my first NG model, 737-700, one of their new moles. And obviously this has the splits, which I think is super cool. Super excited for it. Let's just put it like this, Gemini Jets could never. From what I've seen with the quality of this and everything, from what people have got it and everything already, this is an amazing model. So I was just looking at the box. It's really small, very nice, very simple. Got the branding and everything. So we'll just go ahead and open it up. There it is. Oh, that looks beautiful. Everything looks intact. Looks fantastic. Wow. Looks incredible. Oh, yeah, no, that's a beautiful model. This just slides right on off. Very nice. Take a little bit of plastic off. And we'll pop the model out here. Pop that on it. Alright, there we go. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Like, just take a look at this little... Very, very nice. Very small, but very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and... Hopefully it'll focus here. There we go. Alright, so here we have it, guys. So starting off with the nose. This is beautiful. I think this nose, this mold, the nose cone, everything really well done. The gear, perfect, in my opinion. Looks really good. I don't know, maybe the gear door is a little big. I'd have to check that, but I think overall it looks fantastic compared to like the Gemini Jet 737-700 mold with their janky ass landing gear. Excuse my language, but yeah, so this looks really nice. I like this a lot. Just moving along, the engines look fantastic. They're not too low, they're not too high though either. They're really nice, good size and everything. I think they look fantastic. And then you just kind of move along. Got the little antenna there, the Wi-Fi down in the back, and then the Southwest.com splits. If it'll focus, there you have it. Excellent detail by NG. These split scimitars look sharp, super good. And then you can also see kind of like on the inside of that one over there too. It's the Southwest.com as well. Fantastic job, NG models. Great attention to detail. Registration November 252 Whiskey November, and then the little American flag at the back there. Obviously Southwest tail. This is obviously the Canyon Blue livery. So it's that, nice dark blue. It's not the slightly different shade of blue that the Heart One livery is. But this overall looks really nice. And this on this side you can see a little baggage door right there above the antenna. At the back you have the other one, the rear one there as well. And apart from that, that's everything there. Underneath. Alright, there you go. Nothing special. Just plain and simple, but looks really nice. You got the antennas and everything. NG Models has really done a good job, I think, on this. This looks fantastic. All I can say is release more of these NG. Fantastic job. Can't wait to see this this mold being done with the normal winglets, the blended winglets. More splits, obviously, in the Heart One livery. Both blended and the splits. And then maybe even seeing just this Canyon Blue livery with the blended would look amazing, I think. So overall, this is fantastic. This is a great start. I didn't get the United 737-700s. I know they've released a couple of them. The regular, the new livery, EVA Blue, and then the Starlines. I chose not to get those because those don't tend to show up at LA. And I could get them just to have it in the collection, but I'd rather save my money and put it on aircraft, put it towards aircraft that I actually need for LA. And this is one of them. You know, I went for the Southwest. I only got one of these because kind of like off of Aviation 18's sort of, you know, way of operating. You know, this is the older livery. I'd prefer to get a bunch of the new livery, like the Heart One livery, when they release those. So I'm only getting one of these because these aren't as common as the Heart One livery. So the new Heart One livery. So yeah. Anyways, that's gonna conclude it for this video, guys. We have, let's line them up. We've got 3 beautiful models. We'll get them all here in the frame. What we'll do, we'll stack them. And there you have it, guys. 3 gorgeous models. NG, 2 Phoenix. Absolutely amazing. Super excited to have all 3 of these in my collection. And they'll look good in the future in my mall airport and whatnot. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more model unboxing videos, some occasional spotting videos and whatnot. But if you enjoyed this, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.